So if anyone can help me out, it'd be really helpful currently, because my laptop that I usually use for recording, as you see my past videos, it's making this stupid sound, and I can't do anything. Like, look, it would turn on, right? But it'd make this noise, and it'd stay on this. It would stay on the startup. It would show the stupid circle, right? But it'd stay there forever. Or it would show preparing automatic repair or whatever, something like that. I can't remember what it said. And it didn't do anything. After like 10 minutes, it would go away, and then it would go back to that loading screen, which would stay there forever. And then it'd just be making this noise. Hear this. It's making these beeping noises. Look, I'll show you a clip whenever it does that. Okay, so if any of you guys can figure out what happened to it or anything like that, just please just help me figure out, because I not necessarily need, but I would like to have the laptop back so that way I could, keep recording and whatnot. So if you guys could help blow this video up somehow, or just help this video get spread around, or just someone notices it that's just an expert, I guess, I don't know, just please help, because I would like to have this laptop back. Thank you. Me doing that, this, preparing automatic repair, it would do this after 5 to 10 minutes. This would go away. I think it restarts, and then it would just show the circle just going around and around forever, and I don't know why. I don't know what's wrong with it. If it's because I play on it while it's charging, that's the only thing I could think of, because I didn't do anything else other than that. And the only reason why I play on it while it's charging is because the battery absolutely sucks. You play on it for like somewhere between 10 to 30 minutes, and the battery's already down. And then it takes like hours for some reason. My laptop just takes like hours for it to charge fully again. That's why I play on it while it charges. So I don't know. If any of you guys can figure out, just help me.